Say goodbye to tedious reading. Here is how to use AI to read PDF. Best PDF AI reader. Now let's dive into the tutorial. How to use AI to read PDF. Now to use AI to read PDF, there is two ways to do this. Either you use Notebook LM or you use PDF.ai. Now here I will use Notebook LM to read PDF. Now what you will do is to open your browser like this. Here on your browser type Notebook LM. Now add it .google.com like this. Now click on search, wait for it to load. As you can see, it has opened. Before using it as a first user, you must sign in. Now what you will do is just click on this plus icon here. Now what you will do is just click on this upload resource here, click on it. Now go to your storage like this. If you are using smartphone, now go to where you kept the PDF. As you can see, here is my PDFs. Now what I will do is just click on this PDF. Here, wait for it to load. Now this will pop out. Here, select the voice type you like by clicking on this customization. Set it up how you like it now, and then go back or generate it anyhow you like it. Just here is just an example. Here I will click on cancel. Now click on generate like this. Wait for it to generate. This will take a few minutes to process. As you can see, it has complete. Now what you will do is click here to listen to it like this.
All right, let's jump right in, shall we? We're diving deep into the world of separation techniques today. You guys sent over a treasure trove of notes and textbook excerpts on this.
As you can see, it is summarizing and detailing down the PDF here. Now let's listen to it.
Jumbled mess and got to figure out how to separate everything. The fun part is the best method really depends on what you're working with and what you're after.
Absolutely.
You can also download the audio by clicking this icon here. You see it, and download the audio by clicking on this download. And then as you can see, it is downloading the audio. As you can see, I have downloaded the audio and then listen to it. The benefit is that you can listen to the audio
While reading the PDF, it will help you understand the PDF, and also it will elaborate it and break it down in simple understanding.
PDF using AI. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more tech tutorial, and also watch this video on the screen or check it at the description section in order to know how to use PDF.ai and also this notebook LM. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.